Hello children, welcome to the second part of the lesson, Roar Kimba Roar. This presentation tackles the exercises that are present after the story. Using grammar, page 26. Okay, the word grammar means it teaches you the rules of the language, how to write and how to speak correct English. Now you have the exercise how to use a or an. The first thing you keep in mind, we use a or an when a naming word is only one. For example, a pen, a car, an apple, an egg. It shows these things are only one. You cannot use a or an when these things are more in number. For example, an apples, it is wrong. A cars, it is wrong. It is totally wrong. So you cannot use a or an when these things are more in number. Now you tell me, how many vowels are there? Yes, A, E, I, O, U. This you have learned in UKG. If a naming word starts with these letters, we use an before the word. For example, an aeroplane, an egg, an orange, an umbrella, an igloo. And if a word starts with a consonant like B, C, F, etc., you will use a before the word. For example, a book, a can, a fan, etc. Now, keep these things in your mind when we do the exercise. Now see, we have exercise A. Here we have to choose a or an. Now you see the first picture. It's a picture of a goat. What comes before goat? A or an? A. Yes, it is given for you. Now let's do the second. A tree or an tree? Yes, a tree is the correct answer. Third is umbrella. A umbrella or an umbrella? It is an umbrella. A car or an car? It is a car. A orange or an orange? It is an orange. A ant or an ant? An ant is the correct answer. Now we have one more exercise B. Again here you have to choose a or an to complete the sentences. First is done for you. Marina has a red bicycle or an red bicycle? It is a red bicycle. It is done for you. Now let's see the second. Sarah has a egg or an egg for breakfast? Yes, an egg for breakfast. This is the correct answer. Raj eats a ice cream or an ice cream? Yes, an ice cream. I have a banana or an banana? It is a banana. And a apple or an apple? It is an apple every morning. There is a picture or an picture? It is a picture. Or a mountain or an mountain? It is a mountain on the wall. So I think you people have understood how to use a or an in your sentences. Page 27, Grammar 1. Children, look at these boxes. You have to draw one thing that goes with a and one thing that goes with an. So you draw the pictures neatly and color it properly. Page 29, Speaking. Children, speaking is a very important skill in English language. Speaking good English is an art. This comes with good practice. In this exercise, you will learn how to greet your friends and your teachers when you meet them. Here Kimba and the little mouse, they are greeting each other. Kimba is saying hi to little mouse and the little mouse is saying hello to Kimba. Yes, they are very good friends and they are happy to greet each other. Now see the second picture. Ria is greeting her teacher. Ria is saying, "Good morning, miss." And the teacher is saying, "Good morning, Ria." See how happy she is looking in this picture. Yes, if you smile and greet somebody nicely, they will feel happy and it also gives you happiness. Now page number 28, using words. In this exercise, we will learn the young ones of the given animals. Look at these pictures and say the words aloud. Lion, cow, sheep, duck, deer, horse. But here you have to color the names of the baby animals. And here you will use the same color that is used for the big animals. Now you see the first picture. It is the picture of a lion. And what is the correct answer? Yes, it is. It's a cub. So here, which color will you do? Here, you will do an orange color. Okay. Now the second picture is a cow. And what is the correct answer? It's a calf. And here you will do blue shade. Now see the third picture. It's a sheep. And what is the correct answer? It's a lamb. Yes, here you will do green shade. Now see the fourth picture. It's a duck. And what is the correct answer? It's a duckling. And for duckling, you will do the pink shade. Now see the fifth picture. It's a deer. And the correct answer is fawn. Yes, here you will do yellow shade. Now see the last picture. It's a horse. And here, what is the correct answer? The young one of a horse is a foal. Yes, here you will do red shade. Page 29, writing. Children, writing is also very important skill. This needs lot of written practice. In this exercise, you will learn how to put the words in correct order to make a proper sentence from the jumbled up words. If I say, I read, love two books, it's not giving any sense or meaning. And you're not understanding what I'm telling you. Why? Because these words are not in proper order. If I arrange these words in proper order like this, I love to read books. Yes, it's a complete sentence and you're understanding what I'm telling you. So let's try and do this exercise. This is given to you. Now the first number one is Kimba squeak says. Kimba says squeak is the correct answer. Roar, Father Lion, Lion says. Father Lion says, lions roar. Third, him smiles at Kimba's sister. Kimba's sister smiles at him. Fourth, away Kimba runs. Kimba runs away. Now the fifth, helps to roar Kimba little mouse. Now the correct answer is little mouse helps Kimba to roar. Page 30, word activity. Look at these letters A to D. Do you know the ABC song? Come on, let's sing along.